Hi friends, welcome to this video. This video is about alteration of a loose pant to a tight pant. So the customer had given a correct measurement of a pant. So I'm just taking the measurements from the given pant. First you have to measure the crotch length. Usually I'll measure the front as well as the back crotch length. Then length of the pants as well as the hip round. Also, I take intermediate measurements, like say for example, from the bottom part, approximately at 10 inches, what could be the width of the leg of that pants. Like that, I'll take 2 or 3 measurements so that it will be easy for me to mark the measurements on the uh, pant that needs to be tightened. This is the pant that needs to be altered. Now check the measurements and mark. Now as you can see here on this pant there is a design at the bottom part. So the customer didn't want to lose the design, so I have given an extra 1 inch of loose of what that is exactly measured from the other pant. Otherwise the design would be cut off and that wouldn't look good. So at 10 inches, what the width could be? Approximately 9 inches. These intermediate measurements helps us to generate the curve at the leg part. And now while joining this curve, either you can use the hip curve or hip scale as well, because while transferring these patterns, these points onto the other leg, her hip scale would generate a better curve. After joining the curves, use ball-headed pins to secure the fabric in place. Once the fabric is secured, then join the curves using a stitch using a sewing machine, and only after that cut the excess fabric. Ball-headed pins always ensures that fabric stays in place. And as the last step, use the pants given for measurement. Just verify by keeping like this. Just verify whether the width is enough, crotch length is enough. Thank you. Happy sewing.